or welcome back to our channel. It's the Reece Girls. My name is Chantel.
My name is Johnson.
And my name is Leah. And today we're making the TikTok tortilla hack.
So we'll be making 3 different types. One's going to be breakfast, one's going to be lunch/dinner, and the last one's going to be dessert. So let's get started.
So we finished assembling our tortillas. These are how they look. Looks really good, but it's not done yet. So we're gonna take it over to the stove and we're going to toast them. So we finished toasting all the tortillas. This is the dessert one. This is the lunch/dinner one. And this is the breakfast one. As you can see some of the layers and it looks super duper good. Comment down below which one is your favorite, the one that looks the best to you.
So make sure, if you haven't already, make sure to check out our last video and to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel.
So
now we're gonna try
taste
it.
them. Ready?
Cheers from the Reece Girls.
Oh, it's good.
It tastes real good. So you guys, we finished eating our tortillas. They taste so good. We recommend you guys to try this. It's like so good.
It was really delicious. Very, very delicious, actually. I would tell anybody, share it. Tell your family members to try it out. It's super, super duper good. Yeah.
So thank you guys for watching. We love you guys.
Bye.
Bye.